Tyler's Family Fun. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. My name is Tyler. His name is Myles. And her name is Maddie. And we have Nickelodeon Slime. And you're gonna make it slime today. I'm gonna make it blue. I'm gonna make mine red. I can make mine absolutely pink. Welcome to Tyler's Family Fun. Now we're gonna take the other things out. Okay, wait. Let's do something over here. These. What? Just these. Okay, these. And some instructions. This is slime glue, Nickelodeon glue. And this is Nickelodeon slime
Activator.
Now I'm getting my slime glue. Is that enough? Mix it! What it feel? Slime activator. I'm gonna add my water. It looks like slime. Can you see? This is the slime activator. Next is the color. It's not coming out. Yes, it is. It's going to slowly.
Yeah.
Man, it's gonna make harder. It's gonna turn pink. It's gonna turn pink. Oh my God, it's gonna turn pink. It's gonna turn pink. It's gonna turn pink. Daddy likes pink. This is no pink. It's like a type of pink. Mommy, step to it. Oh my God, it's like yellow. It's like yellow. And I had to like open Oh snap, it's pink.
It's.
I'm done get this out.
I guess you can use your hands.
It's so sticky. Yeah. Oh my goodness. It's totally gonna fall. Now I'm gonna make my slime. I'm getting my slime glue. I'm getting my water. Activator slime glue. I'm gonna make purple. It's purple. Mommy, it don't look like slime. It's watery. I cannot do this. Add some more slime glue. Maddie, I'm gonna give you my slime because your slime doesn't look like slime. Here's my slime. It's so great and beautiful because they have gold in my slime. So beautiful and has some beads and some gold stars. I made my water. This is so squishy and stretchy. I'm gonna keep playing with this purple slime. Now I'm adding slime activator. This is so tough. Time to mix. That looks like blah. Myles, let me help you. It's so bright in the pink. It's like on the sky when it's daytime. Okay, just I'm gonna make sure that all of you can see. It's gonna take a while. Okay, now I got it out. Okay, look at it, Jigga.
It's like, what does it look like, Tyler?
It looks like boogers.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks so good. It looks like green applet sign. It looks like jelly.
It looks like jelly?
Yeah. No, it looks like jelly. Jelly?
Like what?
Jelly, he said jelly.
What's jelly?
No, it's jelly.
Oh, deadly?
Yes,
It looks
jelly.
deadly?
The chocolate is deadly.
Oh, wow.
Okay, pretend he never said that. Yeah. He never said that. Know that.
Tyler, you could just take it all out. Try to like grab it all off the sticky thing.
I don't know I can.
I think I know where we messed up with the purple one. We didn't mix it before we added the activator, and we just added everything. And we needed to make sure we follow the instructions. That was Mommy's fault.
Yeah. Ooh, that's a lot. Blue glitter, yeah. And I also have every color. It's pink, it's like gray but sparkly. Yeah. The sparkly. And show Niles. Yes. Over here.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, let's mix it. Let's mix give it
It looks
to me.
so cool.
And it looks so cool this time. So
Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. Bye.
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 Look at slime is so fluffy.
Yeah, we have blue. I can see the blue bubble. Stop it, Maddie. Stop. That's kind of all.
And some more little. I love this, so I really like these. So I want to mix it up.
You do too.
I love the slime.
Stop it, Maddie.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna mix it up.
Yeah, let's mix it.
Okay, now I'm gonna get all the white balls.
Yeah, let's get all the white balls.
I did not expect that to happen. Since I put the green last, this is like a green slime.
Yeah.
That is blue.
I can see all the colors though.
Now I cannot see all the colors.
I can see all my glitter.
Okay.
Mommy, maybe this is a big giant slime because I mixed it. That was so
You should roll
good.
it up in a ball and see if it bounces off the table. Like roll it up like a ball
Okay, I'm
and see if it's gonna bounce.
Yeah, Maddie and I make a giant slime ball. I kind of messed it up.
Mommy, look. So.
It bounces a little bit.
A little bit.
Give it to me.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. Bye. Now there's a smile.
Now, get off a little sticky.
Bye.
I love the slime.